This is Chef and Knife, and thank you for watching my channel. And today is all about cleaver. When I was using it from couple of days, that grip is not as good as you need. It's little slips. It can slip from your head, from your hand, and there are many cleavers in market right now, but I was trying to find a cheap cleaver, not too expensive. It cost me around 10 to $15 from market, right? And not 15, sorry, $25, sorry, $30, 35. It was 35, something like that. I can't remember it. And one thing I really want to mention it, that's Ionex steel. I don't know what is INOX stainless, but that's what they mention it. That's 6 centimeter. Not a very good grip, but a slippery grip, you can say that. And you can find this knife on any kind of websites. You can find this cleaver on Amazon also. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mention this link, this knife link on Amazon. So if anyone wants to buy it, be my guest. And yeah, where I was, sorry. And yeah, if you are a home cook, right, my first choice will be you do have Victorinox cleaver at home, but it's a good company. You can use this. Try their cleaver. It's a 6-inch cleaver, good for the home purpose, not for butchery type of shops or meat shops, but butcher shop. But yeah, for home purpose, it's enough. Cause people don't use a big chunk of meat. They do have poultry and small meat. So yeah, if you're a home cook, you can use this one. But it's a good product. Yeah, it's a good product and it's a good knife. But handle is little bit dodgy. Polymer, right? I don't buy a polymer handled knives, but I saw it. I thought, let's buy it and let's see this is good or not. But I don't know. I have some issuing with this handle, cause it's not a good finish handle, right? Cause I can feel this this area on my on my thumb. Finishing is not good from this area. Same with this. Finishing is not up to the mark because of they want to save some timing, or maybe I have no idea. But most of all, this knife is good. This cleaver is good because it's full tang, right? You can see that. That's a full tang knife, right? And yeah, not that sharp, but yeah, good thing to chop your fingers. And hey, it can chop your fingers. I have seen it. You can chop this. You can use this knife or a cleaver to chop some chicken, lamb, beef, pork. This will do the work. And my whole review will be like, I just want to compare with this knife with Victorinox. My upcoming video will be with this knife with the Victorinox cleaver. I just want to compare these two knives, that it's good or not. But right now, that's my Chinese cleaver, right? Chinese, you can say Asian type of knife or a Chinese type of cleaver. That's a cheap one. bought around like $6 for home use. But yeah, I'm not I'm not saying it's bad. It's worth it. $6 I spent it on good. Handle is not perfect. Handle is like a very dodgy kind of handle, but yeah, for people like me who wants to use this knife at home for home purpose, if you're a home cook, right, it's a good cleaver, good Chinese cleaver. It's a cheap cleaver. uh, I bought this on from eBay, right? I bought this knife from eBay, cost me like $6, and the the company mention is RIMEI. I don't know what company is this, but it's a good company, right? That's RIMEI. I don't know what the language mentioned, but it says 30CR13. Maybe it's steel or something like that, but it's a good cleaver. It's a good Chinese cleaver. I have used this on very long time. I'm using this cheap cleaver from long time, but sorry, miscalculation. But yeah, we were on this cleaver, 6-inch cleaver, right? Good cleaver, not expensive, but yeah, it's a cheap cleaver, but a good cleaver. But handle is not up to the mark. So, because if you're selling a pretty good knife, they're gonna do some cuttage on handle or finishing. So, finishing and the handle is not good, but yeah, it's a good cleaver. It's a 6-inch cleaver. Company is from Brazil. Company is called Tramontina, and it's ionic stainless steel. So